These are the materials that you will need to do this design. Squeeze out a small amount of Tech Gel glitter base onto your palette. Brush evenly onto your nail enhancement. Leave uncured. Using your dotting tool and your first color of Polish Pro Gel Polish, apply in a round circular motion your design. Do not cure. Using your second color of Polish Pro Gel Polish, apply directly on top of your first color in the same pattern. Once again, using your third color of choice of your gel polish, apply directly on top of layer 1 and 2. Leave uncured. If you feel that you need to add another color, do so in the same manner and leave uncured. Using your NSI HD detailer brush, starting in the middle of your circle, pull through each dot. This will start to stretch the gel, giving your dots a different shape. You can go through each dot twice if you want to stretch them more or make them bigger. Leave uncured so that the gel will continue to bloom. If you feel you need to, you can go back to pick up extra colors if you need to add. Using your detailer brush, don't be afraid to pick up more colors and continue to add to your uncured gel. This will add more dimension and elements to your finished project. Once you're happy with your design elements, place into the NSI dual cure lamp for 30 seconds or in UV for 2 minutes. Using NSI Glaze & Go LED, apply over your design, cure in the dual cure for 30 seconds or UV for 2 minutes.